Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Rakib. Welcome back once again. Today I'd like to share about my nephew. Uh, Actually, as you know that before yesterday, one of my nephew got married to someone in Chittagong. Okay, and before my video I could not explain it very deeply. That's why I thought I should make video to inform you in very details. Okay, that's why I am here to talk to you. And so the man the man who got married to someone, his name is Rifat Hussain. He is not only my nephew but also he is my good friend as well. Okay, and as you know that he got he got married in he got married in Chittagong, and their beloved people. I'd like to say that Chittagong such a wonderful place. Okay, and the place where Ripart got married to someone, that place also wonderful place, and I got me a very enjoy there. And I went various places such as the Bathai Goli and Fatogharta and Middle Sakpai as well. Okay, and if I would stay here, if I would stay there more than 2 or 3 days, obviously I would go so many places for visiting. Okay, so dear beloved people who are living in Chittagong, I would like to say you that next time I will go Chittagong, and inshallah we will go so many places together. Okay, so uh, so before yesterday at night 9 p.m. we came back my home. Okay, and obviously I felt so much tired, and also I felt so much weak. Okay, that's why last 2 days I could not make video with you. and yesterday I was little bit busy with myself because two of my aunties came my home. That's why I was little bit busy too. Okay, and today I am totally free. That's why I thought I should make video with you. And last 2 or 3 days, obviously I'm not as you know that I'm learning driving. So last 2 or 3 days I could not learn driving properly. Okay, guys, one thing you gotta keep in mind is that in Chittagong at Middle Chaktai, uh, it is very busiest city. Okay, because there are so many people come there for the visiting purpose. Okay, it's very famous. It's very famous place and also business place. Okay, and inshallah I promise you uh, I will go Chittagong, and I will visit so many places inshallah. So guys, in this video I did share with you very deeply. So guys, now I have to go Kalibari to drive, and so no more today. I will come back once again. Okay, so everyone, Take care of yourself and pray for me. Okay, so Allah Hafiz today.